Tell Me a Story, brought to you by COVID Recovery Iowa. Families, Families, Families by Suzanne Lang and Max Lang. Some children have lots of siblings. Some children have none. Some children have two dads. Some have one mom. Some children live with their grandparents, and some live with an aunt. Some children have many pets, and some just have a plant. Some children live with their father. Some children have two mothers. Some children are adopted. Some have stepsisters and brothers. Some children bunk with their cousins. Some have a mom and a pop. Some children's parents are married. Some children's parents are not. So no matter if you have a ma, a pa, a hog, this llama, 10 frogs and a slug, a cousin named Doug, a great-grandma Betty and a great-aunt Sue, Uncle Hal, Al, and Sal, and Uncle Lou too, 1-step sis, 3-step bros, 2-step moms, and a prize-winning rose, a robot butler to serve you tea, the world's largest grandpa, or whatever it might be. If you love each other, then you are family. The end. For more information, please visit covidrecoveryiowa.org or call 844-775-9276.